Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do another layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and I'm playing along with all kinds of fab kits from May 2023. This one is called Travelogue, and the color palette is gorgeous. It's orange and blue and chartreuse and all good colors. So what I did is I also have stuff from the a la carte section, and I've got these goodies here. They're these chipboard geotags. They're called, I'm trying to get it to show, hold on. They're called, oh yeah, Everywhere Chipboard Geo Frames. Very clever. So I printed a photo at 4" by 4" and I will trim it out and put it inside one of these geotags. How stinking cute. This is my son and oldest daughter, and they were in Savannah, I believe. So that will be super cute. And I make sure to have just a little bit of the palm tree sun thing behind it. I think that'll be adorable. So I was looking at these papers and trying to see, like, both of these actually are beyond wonderful with the maps and all of the cute stuff on it, but I keep getting drawn to this blue. So let's look at that and then maybe back it in this orange, because thinking maybe this deeper orange. I think that's really nice and dramatic. Okay, I like that. So let's start with that. What else do we have in here? Guys, anytime you get a brand new kit, there are so many fun directions to go in that it can actually be, oh, I really like that. Okay, we got a double matte, all super thick, gorgeous papers. I think that's going to be totally our direction. So we have this, right? Now, the other thing I love, guys, there's a lot I love. I love these deep navy blue alphas, but look at this too. So I have got to figure out exactly where I want to go with this because there's all of these great products in here. Guys, look at this. This might be one of them where I like grabbing, this is the ephemera bits. The really big pieces make the best mats. So, all right, we'll have this, right? That's gonna be our photo mat, but then we can bring more of these colors in. I love this. We can bring more of this in and it can make it totally a thing. So yeah, looks like we pretty much have the layout. I'm done. Okay, let me get these things double matted, trim out my photo, come up with my title, and I'll meet you right back here. So I have these film strip pieces from the Everywhere line, again from 49 Market, a la carte section in your store. There are 30 of them, which is amazing. 30. That's a very large amount of these film strips. So I definitely want to use them because you get the best little shine on your page with them. So I think what I'll do is first, I want to use all three colors because that's fun. And I have this bright white piece that will totally pop on top. But I think what I want to do is go ahead and just start going for it by making a cluster. Now, this paper is super kind and forgiving in that it has lines on it, so I can use them very nicely as kind of good spots to figure out how to line up my backgrounds and, you know, all of my layering pieces, all of that. So I'm going to do that. My photo is already up on a nice bit of dimensions, so we're going to have that handy dandy. Now, oh, and where they went was right there, right there in the United States. Okay, now this is where these frame pieces are really going to show up because now we've got a little something extra going on. Got to see if I think that orange one seems a little bit big for right there. See if I want an orange one like this, or if I want one with a little something extra going on. We have solid ones, new. There are so many, it's cute. Or, I think I kind of like that. So let me get those pieces tacked down. And what I'm going to do is just come in with a little bit of liquid adhesive and make sure it's just wherever, you know, like it would be underneath. Guys, that is glaring so much. It'll be underneath where my photo is, so that'll be totally fine. Oh, Lordy. Okay. Base of layout totally done. Now, let's see.
We have a lot to give thanks for in this country.
Definitely.
Me, I started trading cards with three things: Cuban cigars, French champagne, and gorgeous women. And I must be extra thanks to the extraordinary groupie. Miss Richard, leave us, won't you?
What?
Just another joke.
I missed another joke.
You have your mother's wit. I wish you get it back.
You mentioned that you were coming from another function?
No, this is your second dinner?
Fourth, actually. Fourth?
Oh, thank you for fitting us in, Lorelai.
Don't worry, Dad. You're the main event. Hour 56 minutes. Beautiful table, Emily. You've outdone yourself yet again. Oh, it's nothing.
Well, is everyone settled? Is everyone comfy?
Yes, Dad, you're fine.
Well, then let's get going.
Oh,
Wonderful.
So I went ahead and put this little Travel Buddies, well, they're foam stickers from Simple Stories, the Here and There collection, because I thought it was absolutely perfect for a picture of my kids being travel buddies. So the next thing I want to do is get out these stickers. They're puffy stickers, and I love puffies. Little ombre action, and they're called letters and numbers because I want to try to go ahead and put the location around the geotag. I'm going to see if it works. Who knows? And then we only will have to do a couple things to this layout to finish it up because we've already got really nice dimension. We've got different finishes. It's coming along ever so nicely. So I'm starting to create a little cluster here, and I needed to bring a little something here because I have blue on blue, so I wanted to make something slightly more interesting. So let's see. I have this piece, and I was thinking we have Adventure Awaits. I liked that. I like Let the Adventure Begin. Let's see what we think about that. Let's take this out because it's on a clear piece because we could put that right there. That's an interesting idea because I'm also going to have some of the words going, you know, kind of in the wrong direction over here. Let's see. Adventure Awaits, souvenirs, on our way. We are here. I like that Let the Adventure Begin. So let me find one more color of something to put here. So we can use, maybe something a little brighter. Let's see. I'm flipping through here when I'm saying let's see. Let's see. Using some of that same blue. Let's see how that looks. Just going to give it a little bit of a test drive. I don't know. Thinking blue is too light for that section. I'm trying not to bring in the pink, although it is a gorgeous tone. Let's see. Oh, that's very dramatic. Too big, but very cool. All right, I'm almost done faffing about. I'm going to get that piece on. I think it'll be super cute. I'm going to get this cluster popped down. And guys, I think all we're going to need maybe a couple sequins, and this will be done that quickly. I think I was telling you stories because I just looked at the Everywhere Chipboard word set, and they've got these really cute hearts on here. And I want to just put maybe 3 because I love them. They make me very happy. So I can put this great orange one there. And I like that they all have some kind of a matte print on them. So you can kind of like make them work in absolutely anywhere. Love it. So wonder if I want to find 2 that are the same size. Do I want to do that and put them on either side of the word Savannah? I do. I think it'll make it show up ever so nicely. So I guess that will do it for the hearts. I just wanted to get some of them on there and to also show off how incredibly cute they are. All right, guys, I'm gonna have a few sequins to put on, and somehow this layout will be done that quickly, and I don't even know how that is possible, except for that this 49 and Market collection of treasures that we have this month make come together so incredibly quickly. Of course, I have the Simple Stories foam pieces on here and here, which are absolutely gorgeous. I am going to get a few sequins popped on. These are the sequin mix that is in the a la carte section, and then I'll show you my finished layout. All right, guys, this came together so incredibly quickly, but I think it's because the product is so incredibly gorgeous. So we have our location, we have that they were travel buddies, they were on an adventure, a gorgeous map paper design everywhere, and that is that it's kind of graphic, you know, like the idea of it with the really bold blue and orange and all of that, and I absolutely love it. Love the film strips, love the foam, love the puppies, love all of the things. So I will have links down below for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, the blog, and the Facebook group. Make sure to join us on the Facebook group, you guys. There is a challenge every month, and you get to see what other people are doing with the product. It's super fun. And of course, the blog has everything from the design team, and the website is where you score the goodies. So all of that is fab. I'm gonna have still shots to follow right there, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.